Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have the November subscription boxes to unbox. I have my BoxyCharm, I have my Ipsy, and I'm really excited. I really like doing these each month because I kind of forget some of the things that I pick, and then some things are surprises. Now, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. But if you want to see and be surprised like me to see what is in my BoxyCharm and Ipsy, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, we're gonna start out with Ipsy. It's one of my favorite things to start with because it's fairly small. I do appreciate the little padded envelope because minimal usage and waste. But you also just have like a very tiny makeup bag. This is cute. It's like pink and fluffy and it's super soft. There is a little card, the Glammest Show on Earth. And then it has some details about what's in here. It is very cute though. I like these little bags. They go in a beach bag or in the Jeep. Okay, the first thing I have in here, this is, oh, I just used this during one of my videos recently. I talked about how I like their primers. This is from Touch and Soul, the AHA, BHA, PHA toner. So the no problem toner. I try and use toners after I clean my face in the shower. I'll use a toner and then I go into my skincare in preparation for my skin before I do my makeup and everything. So the full-size version retails for $18. It's an exfoliating toner formulated with glycolic and salicylic acids. Gently cleanse your face and shrink the look of pores for smoother, clearer looking skin, which I appreciate because these pores. You guys, I have worn my makeup all day. It's still holding up. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible. It's one of my favorites and it's still hanging in there. It's pretty late in the night. It is almost 8 o'clock, but this I'm excited to try out. We have Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. I think the Touch and Soul I got to pick, but I don't remember. Full size retails for $85. It's a vitamin C serum. Features 20% stabilized L-ascorbic acid to help bring brightness, clarity, and an overall more even tone to your complexion. I do like the trial sizes. I'll put them on my sink and try them out in the evening. If I don't like them, then they don't stay there. From V Cosmetic, pressed shimmer powder in the shade Autumn. So kind of like a highlighter. Full size retails for $28. Sheer Champagne Illuminator. Perfect amount of glow, no sparkles in sight. Pearly glit from within radiance. All right, well now I want to swatch it and see what it looks like. Ooh, that is really pretty. I love a good highlighter, so I will definitely be reaching for that. That is really pretty. So I know this packaging. This is from Ciate London. This is the Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. Full size retails for $22. Multitasking setting powder keeps your makeup looking fresh for the long haul. Translucent and weightless with a subtle shimmer that's so soft and pretty. And see, I think I've had this before and I don't know that I don't need the shimmer. So I'm gonna put this in the giveaway drawer, and there is a giveaway that will be happening on the channel for the holidays. So definitely stay tuned for that. And the last item in our Ipsy, this is Reina Rebelled Mini Bold Lip Color Stick in Divina. Nude pink lip crayon is full coverage and foolproof, wearable and super easy to apply. Full size retails for $19. Let's see. Let's try and open this up. Ooh, that's a really pretty shade. Let's see. That is really pretty. I don't know that it's like my fall shade, but maybe in the spring. We'll try that out. You could even blend it out and it kind of gives like the muted tones. I don't usually total up my Ipsy bags only because they're not full size. So to try and tell you what they cost doesn't make sense. I will put all the details down below, how much it cost, the link for it if you want to try out for yourself the Ipsy Glam bag or BoxyCharm. But I'm really excited for the next one because I think this is my Luxe box. I'm not sure. I think November is Luxe. Okay, so this box is kind of hefty. Let's see, what do we have in here? Oh, it is the Icon. And you guys, Pat McGrath, she curated it, which means we're gonna have some great things in here. And I remember being sneaked something and I was like, oh shucks, I already have that. But that means that you guys will get it in the giveaway. All right, so there's usually some details about products in here and it tells you like what the prices are. This is just some of the things that could be in here. So there's BoxyCharm by Ipsy and the Icon box. When you do Icon, you pay the price of BoxyCharm and then like I want to say it's like $23, $25 extra to get Icon. It's just like an upcharge. But then you have over $250 worth of products, and we will total it up at the end, but like I can see some of the things and I'm just kind of like, all right. The first thing I see is the Too Faced Sun Bunny Radiant Duotone Bronzer. I love Too Faced. I love their products. This is in the shade California Glow. Oh, look at the packaging. It is so stunning. So this bronzer retails for $36. There's not really a scent to it. So like the hot chocolate and chocolate soleil, like they have a scent. I'm not really smelling anything, but that's what it looks like. It is so beautiful. Ooh, just kind of like a subtle bronze. I'm excited for this one. I love Too Faced bronzers, highlighters, just all of them. So I'm excited for this one. You guys, I have this in my collection. I actually just did a video on it for a dupe with Alter Ego. This is the Huda Beauty Empowered Palette. I don't remember how much this retails for. Let me find my phone because usually it's in the app. This is my Beauty Boost and it retails for $69. I'm gonna open this one up because mine is over there in the bookshelves. I'm not swatching anything. This is gonna go in the giveaway. Look how stunning this is. And this one, I literally said it is one of my fall favorites. The colors are so luscious. Look at those shades. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am so excited for one of you to win this during the holiday releases. It is a beautiful palette. The colors are amazing. I love the shimmers. So stay tuned for the giveaway. But it is going in the giveaway drawer, you guys. We have the Danessa Myricks Dew Wet Balm Highlighting Face and Body Balm. Ooh, I have it in the shade Rosewater. All right, so this retails for $22. I love Danessa Myricks. And oh, look at this packaging. I am so excited for this. Look at that. Oh, that looks so gorgeous. I need to look to see like how this is used. I love playing around with her products. There are some amazing things in her line that I can't wait. I am so excited to try this out. We have Dew of the Gods, The Theory, Retinol and Oat Milk Hyaluronic Cream Blend. This retails for $42. Oh, look at this packaging. That is absolutely stunning. Okay, so it is a pump, the most luxurious formula yet. An all-day moisturizer formulated with retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vegan oat milk. Theory is young, it's new. It's an iced London fog latte, California vegan style. Interesting. Use in the morning and at night. I will have to try this out. I have to be careful with retinol only because when I get my eyebrows done, I don't use it the week leading up to getting my brows done. But after I get my brows done, which is about 2 weeks that I have to use it, I will use retinol during that time. But it can make your skin sensitive. So when you get your brows waxed, you could do some damage. So I'm just cognizant of the fact that you shouldn't be using it leading up to certain skin things. Okay, from Pat McGrath. This is the Matte Trance Lipstick in the shade Matte Trance 003 Elson. So this retails for $39. I do love the packaging of Pat McGrath Labs. Like, it is absolutely stunning. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. I will be using this for the holidays. Absolutely. We have also from Pat McGrath, this is the Divine Rose Luxe Quad Eternal I think I bought this. I think I just bought this. I did. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am the worst. I bought this one during the sale that was just going on Pat McGrath Labs website, which she has some phenomenal sales if you have not checked her out. Sometimes they're better than Sephora when the Sephora sales are going on. But this one just came in my Icon box. This retails for $62, which is not what I spent on it. I think I got mine for like $40. I haven't even had a chance to like play around with it. I am so mortified that I bought the same thing that I just received. But this is gonna go in the giveaway for the holidays. Look how stunning that is. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I did that. Dang it. Well, I worked for one of you guys because one of you will luck out. We have from Huda Beauty, the Cheeky Tint Blush Stick. This retails for $25. I do like Huda Beauty products. I don't have any of like the cheeky tints. Ooh, and this is definitely in a shade that I will use because it is peachy tone. Ooh, where to swatch it though? Right here. Ooh, that is really pretty. So pretty. That is in the shade Perky Peach. We have from Drunk Elephant. This is the Silk Amino Conditioning Leave-In Milk. I love a good leave-in conditioner or anything for your hair because I pull mine back for my bun for work, and this will help condition my hair while it is pulled back. This retails for $32. Leave-in conditioner, styling milk, and heat protectant that strengthens, smooths, and deeply moisturizes hair while giving soft, flexible holds. Awesome. I love this. I'm so excited. Let's see. I want to know what it smells like though. This is going to immediately go underneath my sink so I can use it when I go to work. It doesn't really have a scent. I'm okay with that. Not everything needs to be scented. And the last item in here, this is from Alamar, the Colorette Concentrate Skincare Infused Liquid Blush. The packaging is so cute though. This retails for $20 and it doesn't say the shade name. Amour de Melicotin? That's not the name, is it? It's very liquidy. Oh, it's one of the, like the Charlotte Tilbury ones. Oh, you still have to twist it to open it. Oh, okay. Be careful with it. I mean, I'm gonna be going to bed here soon. Oh, that's really pretty. That is right up my alley for a shade, but just right there. Ooh, I really like that. All right, let me go ahead, total up this box, and I will be back to let you know how much it retails for. Okay, you guys, I said retails for. I paid about $45, $52 for this box. I will look it up. I will link everything down below so you can decide if you want to pick it up yourself. But the value of all contents for the Icon box values $347. That is absurd. I love getting BoxyCharm and Ipsy and the Icon box because you never know what you're gonna get. You're not spending $347 to receive this box. Instead, you're paying a smaller fee and you get some amazing products that either you've wanted, maybe you never tried, maybe you're not spending that kind of money on it, because I have received some things that I would never open my wallet for because they are just so expensive, but I love them when I use them and I wouldn't have tried them otherwise. That is why I love my subscription boxes. But you guys, that is everything for my subscription boxes. Let me know, are there any items in my boxes that you want me to try out? I will definitely do a video here in the future trying out some new things from my subscription boxes, as well as things that I've picked up over time, and we will see what they're all about. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of videos. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.